Hello everyone, I'm in the Museum of Illusions in New York City and I'm just going to take a wee walk around. This kind of turntable thing. It's quite trippy, this one. It's like a tunnel. Similar thing with this one.
That's so cool.
If you step back for this one, it makes it look like a normal face. It's pretty cool. And if you look left and right, if you think it looks like it's moving. Not sure what that is. Makes it look like you're upside down. It's pretty cool. Back to it, right? Oh, that's weird. Magic box. It's a square there. It's because it's a mirror. It's creating the illusion. It is, oh, it is that? How do they look like different lengths? How the hell? You would swear blind that was different lengths. Look at that. That matches up. Similar thing there.
You can also stand on it if you want to. You can? Yeah. So basically, you're going to look
Some holograms. Pretty cool. Some more holograms. What's this? That's a weird one. It's supposed to wiggle your finger and it looks like many. Nah, I don't get that one.
Alright, ready? Tell me when.
That got me, that fooled me. I never noticed. You think you can walk in that way, but you can't. What's this? So you sit down and it looks like there's 1, 2, 6 of us. This is really weird. It's a really weird feeling. Pretty cool. Yeah, let's see what else there is. I looked at it briefly, but there's people at it, so there's a well. Look how far down it looks. What's this? Oh, is this one of them weird? I think there's meant to be something there, but it's missing. Right, well, I think you close your eyes here. Close your eyes for a wee bit. Nah, I'm not getting that one. Oh wait. You're meant to, you shrink as you're going towards, but the camera's not there, so you're meant to look at the screen, but no. Right, this one, try walking slower. That's weird. Right, this one is the one you close your eyes on. Nah, I'm not getting that. Oh, we're back to the gift shop. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is the infinity room. Let's see. It's just a mirrored room. I thought it was going to be a maze, but it's not. It's just an infinity room, and it's quite impressive actually. Look at that. Look how many of them there are. It's like a scene in the Matrix with all the different Agent Smiths. All I need is Keanu Reeves to fight. Right, let's see what else there is. I think there's an upstairs bit. Could be wrong. Oh, I missed this bit because there was a wee boy in it. I didn't want to be looking. Something missing here. What did he do? It's all missing, so I can't see what. I'm going to skip that one. A few alright illusions, but it's pretty piss poor. Surely this can't be it. There's a wee right there. I think that's like a kind of table, but oh, there is stairs. I thought there was more. I was going to say it's pretty piss poor because it was about $35 for it. Aye, $35. So far it's piss poor, but let's see what else there is. Oh, it'll be fun now at home. It's an illusion that the eyes are following you.
So you can do any of these or do something entirely different, and we're going to take the picture and rotate it. So kind of like the portal downstairs.
Well, that was it. That was, let's be honest, that was terrible. Absolutely terrible. $35. $35 gone. No, I'm not impressed. A big building like this, and hang on 2 secs. A big building like that, and it costs you $35, and there's like 2 levels that they use, and even then I think they only partially use 1 level. I'm disappointed at that one. Really disappointed. $35 for that. Nah, it's not worth it. If you're coming to New York Museum of Illusions, I wouldn't waste my time with it. $35? No. Nah. I could get 3 pints of Guinness for that, and I don't know. I'd do a lot better with $35. Anyway, if you've liked that, well, best you can at. But it's alright for kids, but they're New York's a big expensive holiday. If you get kids, you're not going to spend $35 on that. Well, it's cheaper for kids, but adults would need to pay. I think there's a family discount, but I can't recommend it. Nah. Anyway, that was the Museum of Illusions, New York. I hope you enjoyed that more than I did, and I'll see you in the next one. If you do like illusions, one I could recommend is Camera Obscura in Edinburgh. I would highly recommend that. If you want illusions, there's a place to go. But nah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and leave a wee comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think it was worth the money? I don't. Anyway, take care and bye bye.